During this video, I will be explaining you the best way to be used to browse this website to get most from it. You can see these links at the top, and there's a link by the name of QBank free trial over there. And once you click on it, you will be able to subscribe yourself for different QBanks. And this purchase link is self-explanatory. If you will click on that link, you will be able to purchase any of the plans directly from there. Once you are our registered user, then you will be able to sign in through clicking at this button. And at the left corner, you could see some buttons over there, some links over there, like About Us, Testimonials, Contact Us, and here's a link. There's heading by the name of exams, and you could see the name of different exams written over there below that. And you can find the details of each of the exams through clicking at the provided links over there. Let's say if I click on the MOH link, then I shall be able to see the details about the MOHV exam and the main features of our let's say live online prep course. You can even view the related videos through clicking at this thing, and you can even see or subscribe yourself again for the MOH QBank through clicking at this thing. And below that, you could see some plans, and this plan is for physician. You can see it over there. And for each plan, you will be able to see the duration of the course, cost, and for more details, you can click on this particular details link. Once you click on this link, you can see it over there that it will explain you about the course duration, the expected starting date, and the available starting time of that particular class, and also the fee structure of that particular course. You can even register directly from there through clicking at this button, or you can subscribe yourself again for free trial version. And below there, you can see the course plan and cost for dentists. And again, you can find detail of each of the plan over there. Like if you are interested in only QBank, then you can get the details from there, or you can directly register yourself from there. And that's the way you can browse different exams through clicking at any of your desired links. And coming back to the top links again, if you are willing to subscribe yourself for the QBank free trial for any of your desired exam, then you will be required to click on this thing. Let's click, and then you will be required to provide some of your details, like here. Let's fill the details over there. And you can select the country, and then the type of test or the type of exam you are interested in, and then this category, let's say physician, if you are a dentist. Let's say if I click on this physician, then click on this submit button. Then once you will click on this submit button, you will be able to see this message over there: record submitted successfully. And you will receive a confirmation email shortly. Please check your spam or junk folder in case you don't receive email in your mailbox. Okay, it should be done within few minutes. Let's go to my mailbox. In your case, you have to go to your mailbox for that. And let's log in over there. Okay, I could see this email over there. Once I'll click on this link, and remember one thing, as it was mentioned earlier, that your email could be into the spam folder. I mean, if you don't receive that thing in your inbox, then you should be looking for it in your spam folder or the junk folder if you're using Gmail or Hotmail. So once you receive this email, there is a link given over there, and you can see the user email, the password, and remember this thing is case sensitive, and you are required to click on this thing. Click on this thing, and you can see all the desired details are already given over there. You just need to click on the sign in button. Once you will click on this, now you are into the members area. You could see your name written over there, and you could also see this message. This is a trial version. You may upgrade it or a full paid version. And obviously you have not attempted any of your exams, so there is no details of the exam. So like creating that particular exam, you can click on this button given at the top, or you can click on this blinking create test button, create test link. Once you will click on this link, then you will see the actual screen of the test topics. You can see it over there, and you can see these test mode. By default, it is time tutor. You can go for tutor mode. You can go for untimed mode. You can go for the time mode. Let's go for the tutor time tutor. You can. This question mode is like if you wish to attempt all exams, unused, incorrect. So we are going to attempt for all exams, and you can even see these MCQ style tests or the clinical scenarios tests. You can go for these events, and below that you can see this main division given over there, and these are the topics related to that particular exam for which you have registered. And once you will click on that particular main division, you will be able to see the corresponding subdivisions of that particular topic. I just click on that thing. You can see these subtopics, and you can see the number of questions for each subtopic over there. Let's go for this one randomly, and if I click on this, let's say if I am interested to create test for these two subtopics, and what I can do is, you can see the 5 questions are there, 5 questions are there. I can calculate this thing, so there should be 10 questions written over there, and you can specify the number of questions you are willing to attempt. Let's say if I'm willing to attempt 4 questions, then you need to click this create button over there. Clicking this button will actually show you the main application of ours. You can see this application. Obviously you have registered yourself for M1QA exam, and you can see this flag type of icon. Once you will click on it, and it will be shown over there, and you can also see this lab button. You can place any kind of note for any kind of question, and you can see this timer running on, and you can see this mark this question checkbox over there. Once you will click on it, this question will be marked, and you can see in the bottom, because as you have created this test for a time tutor, and obviously the answers and the explanation will be given over there in the bottom. Once you will click on this answer button, you will be able to see the answer, and once you will click on this explanation button, you will be able to see the explanation of that particular question, and you can also see the other users' explanation. Okay, you can see this next arrow showing you to go to the next question. Once you will click on this particular question, go to the next. You see the second question. Let's attempt this thing randomly, just to show you that how this thing works. And this is the last question. You can see this thing, question number 4 of 4. Once you will attempt this last question, then what you need to do, because that is the last question, you can click on this end test button. You can see it over there. When you click on it, it will show you the result of that particular test. You can see this, the result of all of your 4 questions which you have just attempted. You can see that 2 of them are right and 2 of those are wrong. You can see the correct answers from there. You can even browse them for clicking next, or you can even click the back button. And once you are through to this test, you can close this test window. Okay. Now you can see that as you have attempted one exam, then you need to click on this all exams link. Once you will click on this link, now you can see this particular exam which you have just attempted. Remember, you attempted 4 questions. Now you can see the analysis for that particular test or exam you have just attempted, or you can see the review of that particular exam. It will take you again to the main application. As you can see, 2 of them are wrong, 2 of them are right. And in this reports, below this heading, you can see the reports which are divided in different manners, like overall, test-wise, test topic-wise, cumulative. You can view all kind of reports over there. Let's go to this test topic-wise. You can see this thing. Obviously, you attempted this option 9 question, and the total used question was 10. Total question was 10. Used question 4. And that's the way this thing works. You can use or you can see any of your desired report for clicking at this button. And at the top, you can see this My Account button, the link which is just left. Once you will click on this My Account, then you will be able to see the details related to your account. Like you can change your profile from there, you can change your password, you can even write to us through this help desk. If you are having any problem, you will be able to see the query status, whatever the problems you have raised, and you can see the payment details and all the payments you have given to us. And as I told you earlier, that this is a trial version. You can upgrade this version through clicking at this link provided almost at each page. And in fact, the functionality of this application is the same for the upgraded version. What is left is this trial version doesn't have that many number of MCQs or that many number of tests than the full page was. Once you click on this upgrade button, then you will see this form. You can see this form over there. You need to write the last name, the address, the country is already given over there, which you already selected, the city, the phone. These are the required fields. You can see this red is type over there. And you can even, if you wish to change your course plan, because you are willing to buy QBanks, you can even change it to classroom-based learning, live online learning, live online classroom. And once you change it, you will also be able to see the change cost over there. You can actually see the change cost. What is the total cost of this program or plan? This is for the total cost is this one. And you can even go for the QBank for 20 days. Again, this thing is changed. You want QBank for 40 days. Again, this thing is changed. Now again, this is the required detail, and you can actually, if you are willing to join the live online classroom prep course, then you can mention. You can click on it. You can mention the date from which you are willing to join the course. This is optional, and you need to type the same code written over there. And once you are done, then you will receive an email from our representative, and you will be given all the details of your result. That's the way this thing works, and I hope this tutorial will help you. I hope to see you in one of our exam types. Hope to see you that you will be availing one of our